Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in ivory tri-coat with BI-XENON HID headlamps, gunmetal headlamp bezels, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, brown light frost interior color, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5481.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.